Right, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Mark and it's a Hitman's Bonsai Journey. Right, today I'm going to be transplanting some of these trees into this forest because a couple did die. But so I'm going to transplant some more into this forest to see if we can make it look better. Let's get rid of this weed. If you see, look, this one here is dead. So move this out of the way. Take that weed out. Don't know how well. Oh, I don't want to pull the whole lot out. Oh, I don't suppose it matters that much if it does come out. So I've got another one to put back in there. Let's have a look at the roots on that. No, they feel a bit brittle. Do that. Yeah, that's dead as you know. That's proper dead. Right, so I've got that space there. Right, let's turn this around. This one's dead. So it's no good really, is it? Let's give that a little pull out. Go on, up you come, boy. Put that back in there. Let's have a look. Yeah, dead as your name. Dead as your name. I've got a fair bit of space there. I've got these two little ones to put in replace of it. So let's pull these out. So they're only little ones. Give it a little bit of a tease. I don't want to disturb the roots too much. Let's have a look. So that fits in a treat, doesn't it? Fits in there a treat. What I'll do is I'll let that grow, but I will take this branch off. So let's push that down in there. Make sure there's some down there. Give that a little. Some of this out. Put some of that in there to fill it up. Press it down. This is going to be quicker than I thought. I will top dress this as well to make it look a bit more prettier. Right, let's do the other side. Not as much of space. I've got this one here. Picked them up at the weekend. Give it a squeeze, pull it out. Come on, up you go. There we go. Take the stuff off the top of that one. Will that fit in there? Not really, so what I'll do is I'll pull a bit of this soil off until it fits in a hole. Now it fits in there like a glove. I'm happy with this. Is that the way I want it? Same with this one, I'll leave it in there for a year. I know that's got a lot more soil in it. Leave it in there and I'll chop up what I don't need. Put a bit of that around there, keep that in there like that. I'll give it a quick water later on, or I might do it in a minute actually. I know it's hot, but there's no sun about. I'll chuck it in there a minute. Let's get my soil out. You know what this is? It's Miyakadama. That's some normal stuff. normal soil. Spread it around. Take that up for a minute. This scoop is brilliant, mate. Just to build it up a bit. So it's going to be in here a good couple of few years. I know it's a big pot. Make it a little bit level there. I reckon it could do with another one of them in it. More like a dharma in it. Yeah, so it's like a dharma with some organic soil in it. Just mix it up. Or I did the other day, I just put it in there and shook the flipping pot and it mixed itself. That's lovely. Oh, look at that. It looks beautiful now, doesn't it? Looks beautiful. I love it. I know they're not aimed the right way, but next year I'll wire them all up so it looks good. I think that one's still alive. Look, this one I took a load of leaves off the other day, but I took a load of leaves off of this one, and if you look, all the leaves have come back. See? I do not lie. Right, just get a quick paper down around these new ones. Just make sure the soil in it has gone around the roots. But a lot of the soil is still on there, so it should be golden. Let's get a bit up, just over the dharma, just to make it look a little bit nicer. That looks beautiful there, doesn't it? Right, that's it. I do see some more up there. I've got to take leaves off, but this for today I'm just going to leave it, let it do its thing. I'm going to go and water that later on. I am going to wait till later on because I've got some others over there I've got to. You can't see me. Let me do that. Yeah, I've got some more over there I've got to water, but I'll do that a bit later on. Right, I think that's it for today. Like, subscribe, share, do all the usual stuff, and YouTube will put something here. So come and see me next time. Right, see you later on. Right.